Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you 3 floral designs for spring. For the first design, we're doing some fun pink and orange flowers, so start off with a base coat and 1 coat of a sheer pink polish. Once the base is dry, use orange to make a long petaled flower. The number of petals doesn't really matter, just whatever fits and feels right. After you're finished the orange flower, make another pink one underneath it and to the side. Keep alternating between orange and pink flowers until your nail is filled. Finish it off by adding a dot of pink to the centers of the orange flowers and a dot of orange to the pink ones. Sealing your design with a top coat. This next design is supposed to be daffodils, but it came out kind of looking more like sunflowers. But either way, start out with a base coat and 1 coat of a sheer white polish. Use yellow to make 3 lemon-shaped petals near your cuticle. Next, use a light orange to make a semicircle in the center where the petals meet. Outline it roughly with a light brown and darken the center. Add a stamen with a darker brown and then seal it in with a top coat. The last design is inspired by cherry blossoms. For this one, once again, start with a base coat and then 1 to 2 coats of a shimmery pink polish. In the center of your nail, use light pink to make a 5-petaled flower. I tried to make the petals be a little bit rounder at the tips and to thin out as they got towards the center. With the same pink, make a medium and a small dot above and below the flower. Add some darker pink to the center of the flower. Finally, apply a glossy top coat to sealing your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 3 designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.